Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by organizing so edits stay reversible and fast. Import your RAW or high-resolution files into a project library and immediately duplicate originals to a backup drive or cloud. Once done, quickly cull using flags or a 1 to 5 rating. This narrows choices and speeds workflow. Make sure to keep a working folder for exports and a separate assets folder for presets and overlays. This prevents accidental overwrites and saves time later when you batch process similar photos. Now tackle the core edits: exposure, contrast, and color. You should start with the histogram to balance highlights and shadows, then set white balance using the eyedropper or Kelvin value to keep skin tones natural. Once balanced, apply selective tools, brushes or masks, to dodge and burn, desaturate distractions, and refine color on specific areas. Because local edits change perception, preview before global changes. Make sure to work non-destructively with layers or adjustment masks, so you can refine without losing earlier corrections. Finish by sharpening and reducing noise, but always preview at 100% to avoid artifacts. Then set export parameters. Choose format, quality percentage, color profile, and output resolution based on destination, web, print, or social. Once exported, compare exported file to the master. If you see banding, color shifts, or crushed shadows, revert to your layered or RAW file and redo the offending step with gentler sliders or different denoise settings. If problems persist, check color profile mismatches between editor and viewer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.